What's up, Kinfolks, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning Kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, before we go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl, and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Jumping right into it, we are going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime our face. We are going in with foundation and doing the skin first before we go into the eyeshadow. I know, wow. So this video, I guess, is kind of not beginner friendly. But anyways, for foundation, we are using the ColourPop Cosmetic Pretty Fresh Foundation. I can't remember the shade, but I will link it in the description box down below, okay? After applying our foundation, we're going to go in with MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Concealer. Again, I'll have the shade linked in the description box down below. So I'm so sorry, y'all. I know the name of these products, but I can't remember the actual shade. Anyway, we are going to be applying our concealer underneath our eye, the bridge of our nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and our chin, just to conceal any bags, any fine lines, wrinkles that we may have, and just so that it kind of creates like a nice little you know, base for our highlighter and blush to sit on top of. Okay, so we just want everything to pop, and applying concealer does that. Now, what I will point out is that I am using a Real Techniques brush to blend out my concealer. You can get it at Ulta Beauty. Y'all, this brush is like the best blending brush. I promise you, I will not lie to you. After blending out our concealer, we are going to go in with the Morphe Setting and Prep Continuous Mist. Y'all know that mist is thebomb.com, like I tell you all the time. Now, I do let my face dry down a little bit, and then I like to go in with my OS setting powder by Patrick Starr. Y'all know I've been raving about this setting powder since I got it. I love it. It works best. Well, I feel like any setting powder works best if you spray your face down first and let that set in, and then go in and apply your powder. It just, to me, gives a more lasting look all day. Okay, now y'all know I love to bronze my face versus actually contouring. For bronzer, we are using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. Now, I do want to try this bronzer in the cream because I did see that they had that, so I think that is what we will be trying to get into here soon, especially with the summer coming up. It's time to switch up on the products a little bit, but y'all know I like to take the bronzer and just do like a round robin around my face until everything is bronzed and warm the way that I like it to be. Now, I wasn't going to do this, as y'all can see I didn't add concealer underneath my cheekbones, but I am going to go ahead and do a little bit of powder just to kind of like take this look up a notch, because, you know, even though I'm doing some different things, I still kind of want some things to kind of stay the same. But anyway, okay y'all, now let's go ahead and jump into the eyes. To prep our eyes, we are going back in with that MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Concealer, just to give our eyes a nice clean base, because the colors that we are going to be using are very pigmented, and we just want that to really just show and pop on our eyelids. So doing this method right here just ensures that we have a really clean canvas, and I like that. Now, the palette that we are going to be dipping into today is the Morphe 35A Up Till Dawn palette. The first shade we are going to go in with, and it's going to be our transition shade, it's going to be Nude Swim. We are going to go and pop that into our not necessarily our crease, but that little area above the crease of our eye. Next, we are going to go in with the shade Mystique. Now, y'all, this is like a dark brown shade. I wanted to add some type of dimension to my eye look. I wasn't expecting for it to be this dark. I really wasn't, but it is what it is. I felt like once it was on my eye, I had to just kind of like make do with what it was, but I was hoping that this gave more of a soft brown, but instead it gave me a brown, a chocolate brown, but that's okay. This brown wasn't stopping no party, okay. I still went in with the shades that I was gonna go in with originally, but because we are using a very pink shade, we have to go in with the Louise Base in the shade White or Zero. I believe they're literally the same one, you know, when you get off the website. Anyways, because we wanted that clean canvas, so we want that pink to be extremely pigmented and shown through, I had to go in and add white so that that pink just really pinks on the eye, you know what I'm saying? And speaking of this pinking, this pink is supposed to have like some sparkles in it, and it's not giving some sparkles in it, so I'm not sure what is going on. But again, it didn't stop nothing, still went ahead and got the eye done. But I just wanted y'all to know that it wasn't pinking like I thought it was gonna be pinking, okay? Now, if I didn't mention it, that pink shade that we just got done using is the shade Cha Cha, and that Up Till Dawn palette by Morphe. Now, you guys, what I am doing now is I'm just going back in with that shade Mystique, and I am just buffing out the edges and just kind of doing some filling in. Y'all, this is kind of like coloring or painting a little bit. You just kind of want to go in and just fill in any gaps with the Mystique color, just so that both the shades Cha Cha and Mystique just blend together and look very seamless, and you know, and just having a beautiful collaboration on your eyelid. Now, y'all know I'm not a huge fan of putting eyeliner on my lower lash line, but we do like to go in with eyeshadow, and I am just going in whatever is left over on the brush from using that shade Mystique, and I am just adding that to my lower lash line just to kind of like close up the look, you know, bring it all together. And then of course we are going to add mascara to both the top and bottom lashes before we pop some actual lashes on. And you guys will have to forgive me because I am not sure who these lashes are from. Yeah, so I can't link that in the description box down below, but any lashes will do for this look, I'm almost sure. So yeah, whatever style you want to go with, girl, it'll work if you're trying this eyeshadow look. But anyways, you guys, for the lips, I am just going to go in with a dark brown lip pencil from Ulta Beauty, and then I am going to pair that with my MAC Cosmetics lipstick. Now, I'm not sure what shade this is, you guys. I will get it and link it in the description box down below. But after applying that lipstick, I went in with my Fenty lip balm or gloss balm, whatever it's called. But everything just kind of like paired together and came together really well. Okay, so for the highlighter, we are using our Sephora highlighter in the shade High Noon. Y'all know this is literally my go-to highlighter just because it just gives a natural highlight and glow. It's not too much, it's not too less, it's just like a perfect everyday highlighter. Okay, so if you're looking for that, please go ahead and grab that. Okay, now I also like to pair this highlighter with the Sephora Duo blush in the shade Tiger Lily. Y'all, I love this blush because it is orange, right, but it is a all-purpose blush. I can literally wear this blush year round. Like, this blush is the bomb.com. As you can see on the skin, it just gives, you can just wear it anytime, you know, like I said, summer, spring, winter, fall, all year round. And I love that. See, I'm even putting some on my nose. But anyways, you guys, and this is the look right here, y'all. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my hair, whether I wanted it like tucked behind the ear or not, but I don't know, I guess it could have been cute both ways. The look, I really hope that y'all enjoyed seeing me put this look together. Y'all please let me know what y'all think about this eyeshadow look in the comments down below. Yeah, and you guys also please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video, and so that we can also stay connected. But until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.